This video sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. Hi guys, in this video we are going to see about previous year questions. If you are in NORCET preparation, then you have to study previous year question. Then only you will know how was the pattern of the question and from which part the question are coming. So it is important for your preparation. First question, difference between systolic and diastolic blood pressure is called. The options are option A pulse pressure, option B pulse deficit, option C auscultatory gap, option D Korotokov sound. Option D Korotokov sound is while we are measuring blood pressure, that sound is called Korotokov sound. Option C auscultatory gap is in blood pressure monitoring while deflating the cuff after the systolic blood pressure measurement. The silent is called auscultatory gap. Then option B pulse deficit. Pulse deficit means difference between radial and apical pulse. The pulse deficit should not be there. The value of pulse deficit is 0 because radial pulse and apical pulse should be same. If any difference is there, then it should be ruled out. Option A pulse pressure. This is the difference between systolic and diastolic blood pressure. So here the right option is option A, that is pulse pressure. Question, a person has a central venous catheter. Which of the following can be assessed with this? In this question they ask the purpose of central venous catheter. The options are option A blood pressure, option B urine output, option C central venous pressure, option D pulse pressure. Here the right option is C, central venous pressure is monitored by central venous catheter. Third question, all are assessment tool for pressure ulcer except. The options are option A Norton scale, option B Braden scale, option C Waterloo scale, option D Glasgow-Coma scale. So here the right option is D, that is Glasgow-Coma scale. It is used for assessing the level of consciousness for patients. Other than option D, Norton scale, Braden scale, Waterloo scale are used for pressure ulcer assessment. Question, self-care deficit theory is given by. The options are option A Florence Nightingale, option B Virginia Henderson, option C Dorothea Oram, option D Hildegard Bablow. Option A Florence Nightingale given environmental theory. Option B Virginia Henderson given nursing need theory. Option C Dorothea Oram given self-care deficit theory. Option D Hildegard Bablow given interpersonal relationship theory. So in this question the right answer is option C Dorothea Oram. Next question, in CPR compression and ventilation ratio in neonates. The options are option A 30:2, option B 15:2, option C 3:1, option D 15:1. In this question right answer is option C 3:1. In adults the compression ventilation ratio is, if 1 or 2 rescue is there, then it should be 30:2. For children and infants, if single rescue is there, the ratio is 30:2. If 2 rescuer is there, the ratio is 15:2.